Why, hello there. As an educator, I'm often asked by parents just what website would I recommend for their child. So today, I'll be sharing 3 recommendations that are sure to help your child excel.
First up, we have Extra Math. Extra Math is a math fact fluency program that will help to strengthen your child's knowledge of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division facts. Having a good grasp of math facts is extremely important because it sets a solid foundation, building speed and accuracy, which is needed for success with more complex math skills. So let's check out some of its features. Parents can sign up for a free account. Did I forget to mention that? Yes, it's free for parents that sign up. To set up an account, parents will need to enter their email address, their child's name, and a PIN number to sign up. Once enrolled, your child will be given a series of fact fluency assessments to determine areas of strengths and weaknesses. As a parent, you will receive weekly reports notifying you of your child's progress. However, to get the most out of this app, it's best to use it daily. The second website that I recommend to parents is iExcel. iExcel is a personalized learning platform that helps students master essential skills at their own pace through fun and interactive questions, built-in support, and motivating awards. iExcel offers a 30-day free trial period, and if you like it and decide to keep it, prices vary, starting from as low as $9.95 a month. From my experience, it is worth every penny. As we can see here, iExcel covers various subject areas and has content for grades pre-K through 12th grade. However, for today, I will go over some of the math features. In this math section, it lists the many skills that are relevant to what your child may be working on in class. So if you're ever looking for extra practice to reinforce what's going on in the classroom, you have a lot to choose from. Let's try one out. In this problem, we're going to multiply a 1-digit number by a 3-digit number using the area model. What I especially like about this program is that when responding to questions, iExcel provides immediate feedback, letting your child know when the answer is correct. However, if the answer is wrong, then iExcel provides what we call corrective feedback. Here we see it gives us an explanation of the incorrect answer choice, but provides a mini review of how to solve the problem correctly. Through iExcel, parents are also provided with reports regarding their child's performance so that they can keep up with their progress. So consider enrolling your child in iExcel. Last but certainly not least, we have one of my favorites, Splash Learn, also known as Splash Math. Due to COVID-19, parents are given an opportunity to sign their child up for a free account. Splash Learn is designed with a personalized learning path fit for catching up, getting ahead, or regular practice. It contains interactive games and rewards to motivate children to learn and improve their math scores. And best of all, it's Common Core aligned for grades K through 5. Once you've signed up your child for a free account, then you will begin on this page. Here we find the Reports tab, where parents can track their child's performance on specific skills. So if you notice that your child may need additional help with a specific skill, then you would select the Assignments tab. Here, you can assign work to your child based on their specific needs. Now, let's explore the Curriculum tab. As we see here, on the left, we have tabs that are also known as chapters. And as you select each chapter, additional tabs appear on the right. So let's explore one. We'll try number sense, rounding. We'll preview the assignment.
Round the number to the place of the underlined digit.
As you can probably tell, this platform has animation as well as sound. So if you select this icon, then it will read the problem aloud to your child. Notice what happens when I select the correct answer choice.
Fabulous.
If the correct answer choice is selected, then students can earn points or coins that can be redeemed for prizes. This time, let's get it wrong to see what happens in this instance. Rounding to the nearest hundreds place. I'm going to go ahead and pick this answer choice. So not all is lost. Here below, it gives us a description of what went wrong and the correct answer choice. And it gives you an opportunity to continue and try again.
I hope you enjoyed the recommendations. Please feel free to comment down below, letting me know your thoughts. Well, that's a wrap.